Hello, beautiful person watching this video. Welcome to Healthy with Bena. If this is your first time stopping by, hello and a very warm welcome to you. And thank you so much for watching. Today we are going to the Caribbeans, guys. Welcome to the Caribbeans. Guess what? We are making this oven style Jamaican jerk chicken from scratch. If you've never tried this chicken before, please go get yourself some chicken and make this because it is so delicious. I cannot even describe how tasty this chicken is. We paired it with baked potatoes and some stir-fried spinach, and this combo was like a match made in food heaven, guys. Please stick around. Let's jump right into the recipe. So for our jerk chicken, we will need the following ingredients. The star of the show, of course, is going to be the chicken. I have this chicken that I'm going to be using the thigh and the legs together. I haven't washed it yet, so I'll be washing that next. I have over here my onion and my scallions or spring onions. I have some fresh thyme and rosemary. I have some oil that we'll be using for blending. I also have over here some browning. Now, this is caramel. Depending on how dark you want your marinade to be, you can use more or less. I'll be using just half a teaspoon of the browning. I have here some fresh lemon juice. Over here I have my ginger, garlic, scotch, bonnet pepper. Now, depending on how spicy hot you want your jerk chicken to be, you can either do more or less scotch bonnet. I have here some cinnamon, some brown sugar, and some nutmeg. I have some black peppercorns. Over here some cloves, and also this spice. This is njangsa. Now, I used this previously in my tilapia video, my roasted tilapia. That's just optional. It's not part of the jerk seasoning. I just love the flavor that the spice brings, so I'm using it. If you don't have it, please do not sweat about it. Just focus more on the other ingredients. So let's put this together, guys. So to start, guys, I always like to go ahead and really remove the excess skin from my chicken. Now, let me know in the comment section, do you do this? Oh my gosh, I usually prefer to really remove the skin, but my kids and my husband, they love the skin, so I tend to leave it on. But let me know in the comment section if you do this. I also cut this part of it. What is this part called? The butt or what? Let me know how you wash it. And I remove the excess skin from here, this fleshy part. I don't know. Yeah, that's just me. I also go in here. Sometimes you find that in here it has some stuff in there that I don't like, so I go to remove it. So I'm gonna do this first before I wash it. I always wash my chicken with white vinegar and some lemon juice. Let me know in the comment section how you wash it. I'm gonna wash it before I give it the slits so it can roast really well. So guys, this is how much of the skin that I removed from the chicken. As you can see, this is it. So let me know in the comment section, do you like eating the skin of your chicken? Like the skin? Yeah, the actual skin, right? So I let my chicken, guys, stay in the lemon and vinegar water for like 10 minutes before I'm going ahead to wash it. I'm just gonna wash it properly and just make sure that I remove every leftover stuff in there. So guys, my chicken has been properly washed, and I also went ahead and patted it dry. So the next step, I'm going to just put the slits on before we can proceed to blend. Next step, guys, we are going to proceed to just blend our marinade. So I'll start and go in with the scotch bonnet pepper, my garlic, ginger, and all the rest of the fun stuff we have here. So next I'll pour in a lemon juice, a browning. I Like I mentioned before, the browning is just going to depend on how really dark you want your marinade to be. I'll go in with the fresh thyme and then the rosemary. Same thing, I'm just doing the leaves. Next, I'll go in with the spring onion. I'm just gonna cut it in. Finally, I have my onions. I'm going adding a little bit of oil, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to enable the blender to blend properly. So guys, here's our marinade, our jerk seasoning right here. I'm just gonna pour it on the chicken, and then you make sure that you season your chicken to your desired taste. I'm just going in with some salt. I'm using some pink salt right here. I'm also going to go in with a little bit of chicken bouillon seasoning, like so. And I'm just gonna quickly wash my hands because I'm going to use my hands to just marinate. I'm just going to go in and just generously marinate this, guys. Oops, you can't see that. Let me just adjust my camera a little bit so you can see. Yeah, you want to cover this up and just let it be for an hour. So guys, our chicken has been sitting there for an hour. Time to pop it in the oven. I have my baking pan here lined up with my parchment paper. I'm going to broil this. So basically, my oven on broil gives me better results with the chicken than the bake. So I'm going to go ahead and just, I usually put it like skin facing down first. I like to cook the top part first before I flip it over. So it should be about 25 minutes in the oven. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you how it looks like before flipping it over. So okay, I'm going to pop this in the oven and I'll show you how it looks like after about 25 minutes. So guys, the chicken has been cooking for 25 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and just flip this over and let the other side cook as well. So I have some of the leftover marinade. I'm just going to go ahead and just rub it on some more, because I'm just going to toss this right out. I'm just going to toss this back right into the oven for another 25 minutes, and I'll show you how our chicken is looking. So guys, our jerk chicken is out of the oven. As you can see, I let it really soak up the spices, the marinade, and dry up, and this is how I love my jerk chicken to be. It looks so beautiful, it tastes so good. I cannot wait to just bite into one of them. So fam, our jerk chicken is all ready to be served and we are enjoying it with our baked potatoes. This herby baked potato, it is so delicious. I am going to be sharing the recipe, so please be in the lookout for that. Let me know if you want the recipe for my stir fry spinach. This is such a quick and simple way to just incorporate more vegetables in your diet with the spinach. It's delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so, so you can join the Healthy with Benna family. Thank you so much for watching, and until I see you in my next video, please continue to drink lots of water, be well, be safe. Thank you so much and stay hydrated. Bye.